And these clothespins keep the marble from falling off the ruler. It goes directly to this. There is a string attached to that domino. It's holding a fish net weight and a wooden spoon. When this unravels, it's going to string around, hit this domino. I have a second metal fork right here that's giving it potential energy, a spring-like action. It will go hit that, hit the spoon right there that's holding up Special K, although I have Cheerios in there instead because they're easier to fall out. And then we have these stacks of books here. And in theory, it's going to drop directly into here. And I have the spoon going through the box. And apparently that's gonna, if this is right and I had to put it at the correct distance, it's going to hit that and bang. So let's see what happens here. Can we drop the marble and say a prayer? Let's see. Okay, drop the marble. Anything can happen. Let's see. Here we go. So as you can see in the bowl right there, not very effective because unfortunately this stuff, but in theory, everything was correct and everything worked. You can see how this came down, knocked this loose, this went forward, rolled into this. It just didn't have enough momentum to shake a lot of cereal out of the box. But I think that is as good as you're going to get on a table that is not flat, not in a laboratory. In theory, all of the steps worked. And that is, you can describe the concepts of physics. Even if we only got one Cheerio.